We see a nor here, therefore either is not going to be correct, neither nor is the right usage, either or is the right usage, so answer choice B can be eliminated. In answer choice C, failed in changes the meaning. It is not that the essay failed in doing something. The intended meaning is that it provided a well-analyzed perspective, though it did not furnish something. So answer choice C changes the meaning drastically. This should be eliminated. This should be eliminated. Then this usage did not as well as neither is awkward, redundant, and it changes the meaning. Answer choice A should be eliminated. Then you see it's nor discussed here. So the preceding part needs to have a past participle for it to be parallel. So furnished is the right usage. Did not furnish would not be parallel to discussed. So answer choice E should be eliminated. Please remember, nor can very much come without neither. So it furnished no original thought nor discussed a practical solution is perfectly alright. Let's confirm choice D end to end now. Published last year, the Nobel laureate's essay on self-organizing economy provided a well-analyzed perspective, though it furnished no original thought nor discussed a practical solution. D is the correct answer choice.